Hi friends, how are you? Hope all are you fine. Today I will discuss about two function index and match. I will solve a critical problem in there a data set you can see. So I will solve a problem. If I input an ID in this cell, then the name and the all operation quantity will be output automatically. Let's do the start the today problem solving. First I will discuss about index function. Equal index. You see now here syntax array, row number and column number. That is syntax. Array means which range I will be selected. So I need name. I have selected this column. Then row number. Row number means which row. I have selected this range. This is number 1 row. This is number 2. This is number 3. This is number 4. So if I select number 1 row, that means indicate Muhammad Raji. Then if I select column number 1, that means row number 1 means this row, column number 1 means this column. So number 1 row and number 1 column. That is matched. Click enter. Muhammad Rajiv. Okay. Now I will discuss about match function equal to match. At first lookup below. Lookup below means this ID. Then lookup array. Lookup array means this ID will be charged from which range. That is the range. Comma. Then match type. If I want exact match, then I have to select it 0. That is 1. 1 means this range, this ID, number 1 row. If I select this ID, then it will show 3. It means 1, 2, number 3 position. I will combine those function index and match and solve this problem. Okay. I delete one and I have input match function. This is called loop function. One function is include another function. So I need this ID. This is lookup below and then lookup array. Lookup array means which range for searching this ID. Then exact match 0. Okay. Enter. That's means Farooq mein. Okay. If I select this ID, it will show Muhammad Rajib. Okay. Now I will solving this function. Equal index. If you see syntax array, I have selected this range. Then I will apply match function. Lookup below this cell, then lookup array, this range, then match type exact match, then column number. I am applying another match. At first lookup value. Lookup value means this cell. Then lookup array, this range, then exact match. Munjan for Muhammad Rajib 80. Now I am applying absolute reference. Then drag and drop. Muhammad Rajib 80, 71, 87, 80, 71, 87. Okay. If I will select 71505, this means Lucky Begum. Okay.